St. John Ambulance PNG has been in the forefront of most emergencies in Port Moresby requiring immediate hospital care. They have proved themselves over the years with a quick response time and taking part in major national events such as the APEC meeting. This year is even more challenging for the ambulance service as they face the most recent killer flu of human history, the coronavirus 2019, putting their own lives at more risk, like their other colleagues in the health sector. Since the outbreak of COVID-19 in PNG, St. John Ambulance has become heavily involved not only with the emergency ambulance service, but more recently managing the drive-through COVID-19 testing in Port Moresby. CEO Matt Cannon says the drive-through testing has seen amazing results with more people going for testing,
which I think at this stage has accounted for approximately 30% of the nation's testing in the last 3 weeks, and also has resulted in a number of positive cases being identified, which meant that we could advise people that test positive that they just need 10 days of isolation, treatment, and so they can be cared for by the doctors and nurses at the Rita Flynn.
Health Minister Jelta Wong today visited St. John Ambulance to see for himself the dedication put into the ambulance service. For a small organisation taking on huge tasks, the minister was impressed.
How professional it is, and how lucky we are, especially in the city. And then it's branching out into Kokopo and Ley, but the professionalism is there. Now we don't have to wait 3 or 4 hours. All you have to do is call a number, and the St. John's, you can see how professional they are. They've got all these computers all set up. They have GPS tracking just to make sure that our people are safe.
Despite the few challenges along the way of emerging public health diseases and funding support, St. John is still focused on reaching all Papua New Guineans through its National Ambulance Service Plan.
And the strategy that we've proposed to do that involves some professional services like what we mentioned in Ley, Kokopo, where there's a St. John's ambulance, and also in Madang, Milne Bay, Kimbe and Simbu are the priority areas for us at this very minute. But it's about also looking at, when we're in these places, how we can empower the health centres that already have ambulances to be able to increase the skills and the capability of those services, but also the reliability.
Meanwhile, residents in NCD are still encouraged to visit the COVID-19 drive-through testing at the Taurama Aquatic Centre if experiencing flu-like symptoms. Shamin Poriambeb, National EMTV News.